McDonald's Recipe to Success, a perfect project management case study.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
What does McDonald's bring to mind when you think Golden Arches, Chicken Maharaja Mac, or maybe the smell of hot French fries? Food and brand aside, there is a well-oiled system running in the background at McDonald's, and that would be its project management. Success with a huge global fast food empire is not all down to superb recipes, it also needs good organization, getting things done, and innovating. We'll explore how McDonald's manages its projects, runs operations smoothly, and adapts to change, all while serving billions of customers worldwide. Project management at McDonald's. It's about the initiative to improve customer experience, operational excellence, and innovation. Key projects are 1. New product launches. Project management for the success of new menu items. This includes conducting market research on customer needs, list of ingredients, recipe writing, staff training to make and present the new item, marketing efforts to push product performance, tracking and review to give you feedback, 2. Restaurant renovations and openings, creating 2D and 3D layouts, constant interaction with contractors to make sure fast installations, budget control not to burn the number, 3. Technology implementation. Integration of systems to improve service efficiency, self-serve kiosks or apps. Staff training and transitioning to new systems. Monitoring performance to bite off what's being guaranteed. 4. Logistics and supply chain. To ensure the smooth flow of food supply in a timely fashion, i.e., coordinating for ingredient deliveries. Maintaining inventory through the addition of zero waste. New logistics strategies for operational efficiency and less costs. 5. Sustainability at the corporate level. For recycling products, Ronald McDonald House Charities and other Ronald McDonald Work Facilities. 6. Staff training and development. Developing service consistency programs that are ongoing, such as continuous training. Implementing best practices and technologies new to the market with your staff. Project management for McDonald's supply chain. One of the biggest and most complicated supply chains in the world is managed by McDonald's. Project management needs to be done well for keeping their outputs smooth. Key aspects are as follows. Planning and coordination. Orders or shipment planned out by project management before any order is placed. This ensures that ingredients needed for all restaurants arrive at the same time. Tracking deliveries. As of today, more than 10,000 deliveries per day are monitored to make sure proper deliveries at right time and adequate inventories. Minimizing waste. Project managers utilize certain tools and techniques to accurately forecast the numbers of orders, therefore reducing food wastages and costs. Dealing with issues. Project managers have to solve odd issues such as shipping delays or whether to keep the supply chain flowing. Sustainability. McDonald's has a plan on sustainable sourcing ingredients towards achieving environmental objectives. Project management challenges McDonald's faces. Supply chain problems. McDonald's relies on a large supply chain for the supply of ingredients. Delays or issues with suppliers can hinder the delivery of everything from restaurants. Customer expectations. You want fast and reliable service from the customer point of view. These high standards are hard to meet in projects run by people. Location coordination. There are 1,000 McDonald's around the world, thus it's hard to keep all of them on the same project plan. Technology changes. The way restaurants are ordered through, or equipment, like the cooking equipment and new ordering systems, need to be implemented in all restaurants in order nicely takes planning and training for staff. Cost control. Controlling costs while upgrading or adding new items to the store is an ongoing obstacle for profitability. Legal compliance. McDonald's has different laws to abide by in other countries, especially food safety and employee regulations. Sustainability goals. Now McDonald's wants to be a smart green company, but as usual having balance between goals for the business and sustainability.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.